Hello. Well, we're Mumford and Sons. Thank you for coming. Stone, I'll roll away mine. Together we can see what we will find. And don't leave me alone at this time, for I'm afraid of what I will discover inside. Told me that I would find a home within the fragile substance of my soul, and I have filled this void with things unreal, and all the while my character is steals. Darkness is the horse turned. Have been burnt, but you say that's exactly how this grace thing works. Woo! It's not the long walk home that will change this heart, but the welcome I receive with the restart. Darkness is the harsh turn, don't you think? Gone too far this time. You have neither reason nor rhyme with which to take this soul that is so rightfully mine. Thank you.